The dual blade 700 by 900 mm FlatCut conveyor feeding vacuum flatbed cutting machine with camera system for contour cutting from AM.CO.za is a jewel in the cutting industry. The entire unit moves freely on wheels to the desired location and can then be locked in place with the solid feet. A vacuum table sucks the surface of the substrate down to keep it from moving around during the cutting process, and the suction is ensured by a dedicated vacuum pump that ensures constant air inlet and outflow, as the gantry makes its way up and down to do the cutting. This machine has an inbuilt camera that automatically picks up the registration marks so that once the cut session on the flat surface is complete, the material automatically moves forward for the next cutting session. This is why here at the back of the machine we have the take-up bars that feed the material onto the machine, and just above the bars are these two thinner bars that ensure the tension of the material on the flatbed at all times. And moving to the front of the machine, we have a large collection basket. Now this machine has a dual cutting blade head that allows for each of the blades' pressure to be adjusted individually. This means that you can apply different applications to the same job at the same time. For example, you might want to have these stickers cut out but to remain on the material so that they can be peeled off at will as a final product. The pressure on this blade, therefore, must not allow for cutting right through the material. However, because we want the stickers to be in strip form, the second blade must have enough pressure to cut straight through the material. So we go into the menu and adjust the individual pressure of each blade accordingly. And as you can see, the cutter first cuts the strips, or blocks if you want it, and then cuts the stickers out at a lower blade pressure. And then, when the next cutting session starts, the first batch gets thrown into the basket in the front by the forward motion caused by the conveyor belt. Note how the press down bar on the gantry automatically presses the substrate down during this process, and the pressure for the press down bar is provided by an air compressor external to the machine. And this process goes on and on automatically until the roll of material is finished. Of course, you can take advantage of the dual blade cutting system for other reasons, like using a pen in one and a blade in the other, or using this blade to create crease marks and the other to do the cutting out, like this cardboard box for example. Speaking of which, we can explore different types of substrates that can be used on this machine and different blade pressures and so on in a future video. So make sure you subscribe to Achievement Matters and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified of upcoming videos. This This dual-blade 700 by 900 mm FlatCut flatbed cutting machine from AM.CO.za is truly fascinating to behold, and you're welcome to come and see it for yourself. Just give sales a call on 060 600 6000.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.